Question number 6. Now this also involves some objects. Lotus, lily, rose, marigold, petal. This question was asked in Central Bank of India PO exam 2006. Now lotus, lily, rose, what are they? All of us know. They are all flowers. Marigold, some may be having some doubt what is marigold. Marigold is also a flower, yellow flower. Normally it is used, it is in abundance. Marigold, every local language has got its own term. So marigold is also a flower. Then what is petal? Petal is not a flower, is again part of a flower. While lotus, lily, rose and marigold are flowers, petal is not a flower, it is a part of flower. Therefore, the answer is E, petal. And I have given a small picture of marigold so that those who don't know what is marigold can see it for themselves and understand. So in this example, while the first 4, namely lotus, lily, rose and marigold are all flowers, petal is a part of flower and therefore is the odd man out. Now let us go to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7, look at the words. They are all verbs. Walk, cry, play, study, alive. Now when we go deep into it, you find walk, cry, play, study. They are all words of action, verbs. They denote something of an action. Walk, somebody walks, somebody cries, somebody plays, studies. But alive does not show any action. Alive is a word which shows a state of being. Somebody is alive, somebody is dead. It's a state of being. Therefore, out of these 5 words, while the first 4 words talk about action, the 5th word is not a word of action, it is a word which denotes a state of being. Therefore, the odd man out is alive. And this question has been asked in IBPS CWE clerk exam as late as 2012. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is E, alive. Walk, cry, play and study denote human activities. Alive is a state of being, hence different from the rest. Now let us go to the next question, question number 8. We have silk, nylon, jute, cotton and wool. What's common among all these words? They are all fibers. All of them are fibers from which thread is made, and from this thread cloth is made. They are all fibers. Silk is a fiber, you make silk sari. Nylon is a fiber, you make nylon sari or nylon shirts. Jute is a fiber, you make jute bags, even jute saris today. Cotton, wool, they are all used for making cloth and they are all fibers. Now how is silk made? Silk is made by silkworm. Nylon, who makes nylon? Nylon, let us leave nylon, let us park nylon for the present time somewhere. Let us go to item number C, jute. Jute is a natural fiber, it grows from a plant called jute. Cotton is a natural fiber which grows on a plant called cotton plant. Wool is got from sheep. Therefore, if you look, even though all of them are fibers, if you look carefully into it, you will find that silk, jute, cotton and wool, they are fibers that come from natural sources. How is nylon made? Nylon is made by some plasticizing some material in some industries, in some manufacturing unit. Therefore, it is the only man-made fiber. Interestingly, some news about nylon is, nylon, why it is called nylon? There is a story that this fiber which was made by DuPont for the first time, The biggest chemical company of the world, DuPont of USA, made this nylon somewhere around 1940 in that range, and they released this fiber in New York and London simultaneously. Therefore, it is called Ny for New York and LON, London. So this is a portmanteau word because it was released simultaneously. But there are also some people who say that this is only a fable and it is not true. Whatever maybe it is, this story is nice and interesting. Nylon is the only man-made fiber, whereas all others are naturally made. Therefore, the odd man out here is nylon. The answer is B, nylon. Except nylon, all are natural fibers. Nylon is the only man-made fiber. Now let us go to question number 9. Question number 9 talks about sister, friend, brother, mother, father. Now all are relatives and known people. Is it something to do with sex, namely male-female relationship? Sister is a female relationship. Friend, it can be either a male or female. Brother, it is a male. Mother, it is a female. So it has nothing to do with male or female. Then what is that which makes it different? If you look carefully, you will find sister, brother, mother and father. Sister, brother, mother and father, they are all blood relations, whereas friend is a non-blood relation. Friend will not be a blood relation. Therefore, the odd man out here is friend. Except friend, all others are blood relations. The answer is B, friend. Now let us go to the next question, question number 10. Group, herd, flock, solitary, cluster. If you look carefully into these words, what do you call a group? A group of companies, a herd of elephants, a flock of sheep, a cluster of islands. So, if you look carefully, the words group, herd, flock and cluster denote something of a group, whereas solitary means remaining alone, which does not denote a group. While group, herd, flock and cluster denote something of a group, something of a group of objects or living things together, solitary does not convey that sense. Therefore, the odd man out here is solitary. The answer is D, solitary, because except D, all other words denote a group of objects or animals.